then I would say the bear trend has lost its power. At this stage, this is just a normal retracement. Yes, a very nice one for any long positions. But if you're in trouble at all with any long positions on gold, this is the mercy run. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Friday, 22 November 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US, the yen and the CAD, short on the New Zealand, the pound and the euro. Look at the dollar index breaking up to those new highs, which was pretty expected after we saw this white candle here. Remember now there's the two options of selling off for a retracement, finding support and then bounces. But this one didn't even sell off there. It's like the dollar looking for reason to be bullish. Traders are looking for reason. Slightly lower than expected unemployment figures and the dollar just flies up the page. Gary Gensler resigned, but that wasn't the big push. Yes, on cryptos, that was amazing. It's about time that he gets out of office there, that we can do with cryptocurrencies that needs to be done. But now breaking to a new high. Big question, is it going to test the 1.618? And I believe it will. And remember I showed you the sideways range. It's now right at that levels. If it can break through the 1.618 and keeps going, we're in clear territory, then we can fly. But if this is a fade, maybe failing over there for, I'm not saying a bear trend, but I'm thinking about a decent strong retracement. We last into about a year and a half ago had a full range move like this, which was beautiful. And now we've got it again. But this is now the coup de grace. We will see what happens with this. If it can go well beyond the 1.618 and closes above, then most likely we will not see a decent retracement. I would love to see a decent retracement. However, I would also like to see trends that can be as big as this ones that we see here. If we scroll back in the history, look at these trends. It's been years since we saw something like that. So the sideways range has been holding us back a lot. Yeah, let's hope for the best there. We then looked at gold, testing now the 61% level. Now this is the big turning point for gold. Is gold going to go further, or is it not going to go further? Is it going to sell off here? Remember now the trend has changed bearish on a strong dollar. Should put pressure on gold. Will gold push beyond the 61%? If gold can go beyond that 78%, which is about 27.35, 27.40, then I would say the bear trend has lost its power. At this stage, this is just a normal retracement. Yes, a very nice one for any long positions. But if you're in trouble at all with any long positions on gold, this is the mercy run. If you don't use this, you might be sorry when it gets down here. And I'm not saying gold will go down here. The approach is quite bullish and strong. But we're right at resistance. We're right at the $2,700 levels. We're right at 61%. Structures coming in and everything, cutting nicely through the first two levels. Yes, we'll see how it closes tonight. Any resistance coming in here on candle patterns, that'll be the coup de grace, most likely for another leg down the page. At this stage, I will do nothing. On the 4-hour charts, there's just very strong. It looks bullish there, but for now I'll step aside just for a day or two, just to see what happens. A Friday night close is usually a very good indication. If it closes up there, that means they're not taking profits. Then most likely next week it will keep going. Fridays are usually profit-taking days. So after a run like this, we could expect profit-taking. At this stage, it doesn't look like it. But we don't know what will happen when the US markets open this afternoon. So let's see. By Monday morning, most likely we will see what shape the candle is in today. And then we can make a final decision. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. In Bitcoin, obviously, Gary Gensler resigning didn't have that much effect on Bitcoin, but XRP went up 25% in a few hours. So obviously they've got, the SEC has got the lawsuit against them. Bitcoin is quite safe, so the altcoins is the one that worries about the SEC lawsuits. And now with Gary Gensler resigning, okay, he's still gonna do his full term until I think 20 January. but he's moving out. That's great news for us. But we're now at $99,000 on Bitcoin, approaching that notorious $100,000 levels. If it breaks that, we should see a spike, hopefully, to take out that second level there. A little bit of profit taking here. I've explained it on my previous videos for the last week. At 97, at 100, at 104, and 110. Those are the levels that I'm setting at Bitcoin for the short term, taking off small parts, no more than 5 to 10% between them all of your portfolio, relieving a little bit of cash for a retracement. Retracements, we could expect 20 to 30% retracements at some time. I'm not saying it will happen now, at some time. So nothing to do really here, just enjoying the ride since down here. A little bit of consolidation here. We've cut through the 1.27 levels here on a previous time frame on the monthly chart. Break, retest, now bouncing on the shorter time frames. We're still looking at the 1.27 there and 1.618 at those targets. So time to take a little bit of profits, no more than 5 to 10%. Nothing spectacular. Don't screw this up by exiting trades. You're going to be very, very sorry. Then looking at Forex, bound Swiss, I gave to you earlier the week, the short there. We took the shorts coming down very nicely down now. Very good. Now, I will be trailing a stop loss to this high here plus about 15 pips. So that little high spike there. And now we can't lose money, and that is a great place to be always. I've set targets on yesterday's video, so please watch the previous video. We'll show it up on the end of this video. So that's nice, nothing new there. Just trail the stop loss, sit tight, and let's hope for the best. Euro US, looking for the retracement. Euro red zone, dollar, all the sparkle. You can see the euro is bottom of the pile. So I want to be short here on my mentoring program. We've got 1 to 2 shorts here, so we're looking good there. But for now, what we do here, retracement back to 50% level, right? The structure there, that's the area I will look for shorts if I get some candle reversals. Pound US similar. We also got on my mentoring program some nice shorts here. But the swing down the page, the retracement back to the 61% level there, structure coming in there, it's quite recent. So that's the area. The market can test that level. Nice candle reversal. I like to take some shorts there. You can see pound fighting with the euro for the last spot, red zone, dollar obviously all the sparkle, and number 1 for months now. So it would be a lovely short to have, and we've got it on my mentoring program, but yeah, we can do it here. In Aussie US, we also got a short on the mentoring program. I'm just spotting a little head, shoulder, head. Don't do the breakout. It's purely a break, a retest, and a nice candle reversal. Remember now, patterns on its own doesn't work. We need some additional confirmation. I've got the trend bearish. I've got the Aussie there and the dollar up there. So it's definitely short there. So we still need the market to confirm this as structure. So that needs a break, a 4-hour close below, a retest, and a nice candle reversal. That's the time I would look at some shorts. In the New Zealand US, similar scenario. Last run down the page. Retracement back to 61% level, right the structure there. Look at New Zealand red zone, dollar obviously all the sparkle. So I would love to be short here. I don't have a position here. I need a retracement and a retest before I will consider that at all. Then the FTSE, nice bullish run, trend just turning bullish, and the pound very weak, which is stock market bullish. So the run up the page, the retracement back to 61% level, right the structure coming in there. That's the areas I'm going to look for some longs on candle reversals. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.